Part 2 of cutting down this tree that fell. It looks like it got like struck by lightning or something. So we're picking up the logs now since my papa can't, since he's right now hurting. This is kind of a private thing though, so I'm not going to say too much. But one down, like, oh, all that much more to go.
Yeah. Yeah. You bend your legs when you pick them up.
Okay. Yeah.
You won't hurt your back. You go like this.
Yeah.
And then just use your legs to straighten up. Yeah. Well, you're getting lighter.
Yeah.
You got now the heavy ones first.
This one's a heavy one. I'm definitely going to have wrist pain tonight. Oh. Okay.
That's a double hand over there. Almost got you.
It's good enough.
And we gotta get all of those sticks too.
How much time we have left, let's say?
You got those? Yeah, pick all the sticks up. Those will start the fire.
Huh?
Those little ones will start the fire.
Yeah, well. Look at this one. Pew pew. Oh, my phone's hanging up.
Yeah, all those little ones will.
How long do we have left on the thing? How long does it say?
I can't tell.
Let me see. Oh, yep, we're still recording.
Still recording.